Hey guys, welcome to Friday. Just quick instructions via video here today on what you should do for class. So the first thing I'd like you to do is head to Classroom and then I always go to this Classroom tab or the Classwork tab because it's organized by like subject. And so since we're in microbes, let's go to this lesson 2 bacteria e-text link. I'll probably spend a second and just put the date on here too. I'll make it 4/3/2020. I haven't done that yet. But click on that, and there is two options to get to our online textbook. I'm going to use the link because I'm already logged in, and it brings you right to the page I'd like you to take a look at. If you go the other way, I don't know if it'll do that, but here's what I would like you to do. On your instructions, it says, please read pages 53 through 55, and you can see those page numbers at the bottom of your text. So if you scroll down to the page, you'll see at the very bottom there's a page number. So this is 53. It is what is the role of bacteria in nature? And there is a little play button, so if you want it to read with you, you can definitely press that, and I think it'll do it. It'll read the book through your computer, through your Chromebook. But I would like you to take a read through here, like on how they help us on our planet. What are their different roles? So we have oxygen, food production, health and medicine, environmental cleanup and recycling. And then that's the section that I would like you to read. Okay. There's actually a lot of other things that bacteria do as well, but this is the one that your textbook has. Okay. So after you're done with your reading, head back to Classroom, and right above it, I do have a little writing assignment for you to do. So if you click on that, it says, when you're done with your reading, write a paragraph using the template below and explain one reason why bacteria are good. So from that reading, you'll get a few ideas of why bacteria are good. Click on this, pick one that you want to write about, right? And give me a topic sentence, something like, hey, bacteria are great because they do this, okay? And then give me a few examples from the reading. So you have to use, like actual evidence that you got from the text, and then conclude in a nice concluding sentence, wrapping everything up. Just make sure that you have transition words, you indent the beginning of your paragraph. Hey, use proper grammar, capitalize sentences, capitalize the letter I, stuff like that. Okay, and then copy all those things and paste it down here at the bottom for your final draft, and there is a rubric. So I think you guys have all seen this before in language arts. But yeah, if you would, go ahead and write a little bit about why bacteria are good. And that's your assignment for today. Good luck. Have a good weekend. Stay healthy.